Hello, hello, it's Athena, and today I am showing you a very quick way to cleanse your energy as well as releasing what no longer serves you. And I'm going to do that by using some essential oils as well as yoga. So the oil that I'm choosing today is Palo Santo for its cleansing property. So what you would do, open the bottle. You can smell it right out of the bottle, and when you do that, it really starts to trigger your brain and can help you remember things, right? And it's just such a fast way to get it into your body. So by inhalation, it's usually found within the bloodstream within 26 seconds, which is pretty amazing. So today what we're going to do is place 1 to 3 drops in your left hand. To activate the oil, you're going to go in a circular direction, in a clockwise direction, okay? So 1, 2, 3, bring it to the face and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. Good, and you can place this anywhere on your body. You can do your sides, you can do your liver, you can do your arms. Today I'm just gonna do arms. Another great thing that you can do with this oil, as well as white angelica and a few other oils, is to set the intention of releasing energy that's not yours. So how you do that is you just swipe it on the shoulders. You go 1, 2, 3, other arm, 1, 2, and 3. Letting that energy be recycled back into Mother Earth and letting it go, right? Letting go. You can also bring your hands back to your heart and say, my energy is mine and mine alone. My energy is mine and mine alone. My energy is mine and mine alone. Okay. That one smells so good too. There's a lot of other properties with these oils too, but for today we're using it for the cleansing power. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start in that hero's pose. So if this is too much for your knees, you can always sit in a cross-legged position. So from here, our right hand is on the bottom, our left hand is on top, and our thumbs are coming to meet each other. We're gonna rest here as we do some nice deep belly breathing. So as we inhale, our diaphragm expands, right? So our belly expands, and then as we exhale, we bring it back in. So inhale, expand, exhale, come back in. One more breath. From here, let's inhale the arms up overhead. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Setting the intention for today's practice to release anything that no longer serves us, mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually, bringing our mind, body, and soul back into balance. We're going to inhale the arms up overhead. As we exhale, one hand comes down to the ground, and you're really going to stretch the side body from the hip all the way up through the fingers. You can either look up towards the sky or down towards the earth. Good, same thing, other side, inhale and exhale. One more breath and release. Okay, so from here we're coming off of the knees. We're gonna bring both legs out in front and we're gonna bend one knee here. As you're doing this, you can place one hand on the leg and we're gonna do a nice twist. So as to keep a nice long spine. So from the tailbone all the way to the crown of the head, we want it to be nice and long. And I say look over the shoulder, but that doesn't mean you have to look all the way behind. You want to find a space that's going to be comfortable for your neck without additional pressure. So I like to just kind of look straight out, finding my breath here. One more breath. Good. Releasing that leg. Same thing, other side. Hand goes on the lower leg. Fingertips down. Lengthen through the spine. Find your breath. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Coming back to center. We're going to bring our feet together and bringing them in close to the body. So with this, the legs are just going to fall where they need to. With a nice long spine again, we're going to just start to come forward. Feeling a stretch on the inner thighs. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. All right, so we're going to take one leg out. The other leg comes above the knee, so on the inner thigh. Inhaling the arms up. Exhaling, reaching down towards the toes. Now, your length and how far you go is really up to you. But let's not try to force it. Let's really work within the body. If it's early morning for you or you haven't stretched for a while, just take your time easing into this. Walking the fingers towards that foot. Chest is going down towards the knee. Always coming back to your breath, allowing the breath to help you get into the pose deeper. Now from here, we're going to take the hand on the inside of that ankle. On the inside, we're going to reach it on the outside. So this is a great opening stretch for the side of the body, as well as the shoulder and back muscle. So allowing this to open, feeling that wonderful stretch, just this little twist can really benefit you. One more breath. As you exhale, slowly bring the hands back up, walking yourself back up. All right, same thing other side. Let's inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Connecting with your breath. Feeling that beautiful stretch on the back of the leg here. So the hamstring on the back of that leg, right? That big hamstring. Feeling that beautiful stretch. Let's take the hand on the inside of the leg and take it to the outside, finding the stretch for the back. So all right here, all the way down, right? Slowly bringing the hands back up. All right, so the next one, we're gonna lay on our backs. Take your time getting there. Bring the knees into the chest. breathing into the lower back. So as you're inhaling, really think about expanding here, right? So expanding the lower back and then bringing the back in, expanding and in. From here, we're going to bring both hands out to the floor. If you're able, put the palms down to the ground. We're going to take a nice twist. So legs come down, and now we're going to turn our gaze to the other side. And while you're here, you're continuing your breath, and you're also visualizing energy that you no longer need leaving your body. So anytime we are adding twists, we're massaging our internal organs and our liver, right? Our liver holds the energy as like anger and grief and pain. So really twisting and massaging that is going to help you to detox, and it's going to help you to cleanse and release what you no longer need. So this is a great time to just let it go. With each exhale, just continue to let that flow out of the body. One more breath. Then slowly bringing those legs back into the center, giving yourself a little bit of a hug if you need it. Hands go along, drop to the other side as you look over the opposite shoulder. One more breath. Bring the legs back in, extending the left leg, keeping the right knee in. We're going to take the hand up across on the outside. Again, taking it across the body, finding that stretch, releasing, breathing, and enjoying this stretch. And slowly bring it back. Same thing, other side. Go ahead and bring that knee in. Take it across the body. One more breath. And then from here, just let the legs go long into Savasana pose. Roll the shoulders down and back. Palms are facing up towards the sky in that receiving position. Close your eyes. Tune in with your breath. Now you can stay in this position anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, whatever feels best for you. But for today and this video purpose, we're going to go ahead and bring the knees in. Hands can rest on the belly. You're going to drop the knees to one side as you slowly press yourself back up. Coming back into that easy seated position. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the hands to heart. Namaste.